Compact, powerful, and engineered for precision, the MetMo Multi Drive is the ultimate desktop multi-tool, designed to handle everyday tasks with style and efficiency. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech geek, or just love innovative tools, this multi-drive is a must-have for your workspace. It's a brilliantly designed modular tool that combines multiple functions in one compact device. From screw driving and ratcheting to torque adjustments and fine-tuning, this tool is built to handle it all. The MetMo Multi Drive boasts a premium, industrial-grade build, crafted from solid stainless steel and aerospace-grade aluminum. This gives it exceptional durability while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. It features a modular design, allowing you to quickly swap between different driver heads and bit sizes. The precision machine gears offer a smooth ratcheting action, making it perfect for both tight spaces and larger tasks. The real magic of the MetMo Multi Drive lies in its versatility. It functions as a screwdriver, wrench, and precision torque tool, all in one. The built-in ratchet system makes it easy to apply consistent force, even in tricky spots. The magnetic driver head securely holds your bits in place, allowing for quick and effortless bit changes. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on electronics, or fine-tuning delicate components, this tool has you covered. One standout feature is the torque control. The MetMo Multi Drive lets you adjust torque settings, giving you precise control over tightening or loosening screws. This makes it ideal for working on delicate electronics or fine-tuning equipment without over-tightening. The smooth ratcheting mechanism makes every turn feel fluid and controlled, giving you a satisfying user experience with every twist. Despite its power, the MetMo Multi Drive is surprisingly compact and portable. Measuring just a few inches, it fits easily in your pocket, EDC bag, or toolbox, making it perfect for on-the-go repairs and quick fixes. It also makes for a great desktop tool, always within reach for everyday tinkering and maintenance. Built from stainless steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, the MetMo Multi Drive is made to last a lifetime.